They finally lifted the burn ban. So I am now burning. So there's my fire. Look at it burn. And I'm also drilling holes in these buckets. Now we're using this, which I'll show you guys, food grade containers to grow because it's safe for food instead of regular buckets. And we're drilling holes in them so water can drain out. I'm using the drill and I'm using this type of bit. It is 3/4, I believe. Let me try to get it for you. There we go, 3/4. They say to use this because you don't want to use the other type of drill bits because it might splinter the plastic. That's what I read online. So far it's been working. I've drilled a couple buckets already and just sitting here watching my fire. All right, guys. Talk to you later.